Family Handyman graciously presented us with this opportunity to build something together as a family. And it's been a lot of fun from start to finish. We've loved every minute of it, and I think the project turned out great and can't wait to start enjoying it.
Actually, the benefits of having this shed out here is that we don't have to cook over there and bring it all the way over here to the pool. Because normally we have parties, we cook in the grill over there and walk it across the yard. So, and you know what, actually it's just going to give us a better place for a family gathering and friends and all that, and keeps out of the elements when it's 105 degrees outside, give some shade. We swim and cook and have a good time.
This has been a great project for us because now, I mean, we've always had kind of an outdoor lifestyle, and this gives us the ability to like cook as a family and come outside and play some family games and really just sit around the table and talk about our crazy day. And you know, I think in a lot of projects, storage space gets overlooked. I mean, you spend a lot of time talking about the cool features like the gable brackets, what color are we gonna paint it, and storage often gets overlooked. And the cool thing about this spot is that now we have a place to put, you know, after we're done entertaining, we can put some of the serveware away, we can put some of the, you know, the cushions away, and we've got a great place to store stuff. This adds more square footage to our home. I mean, even though it's not attached, it's another kitchen, it's another dining room, it's another place to hang out and play card games. You know, it's another place for Greg to give all of us a hard time. So, you know, in a way, it's very much extended our living space. It's been great.
It needs a TV.
It's gonna have a TV, honey.
So we can all sit around and watch sports.
To not watch sports.
What do you watch? Like home improvement shows around the pool?
Maybe.
Yes.
Yeah, everybody does.